Hello everyone, welcome back to another course video. Today you will be learning how to format strings. This is definitely going to be a fun video. We will be doing lots of cool things. One more thing, you will be seeing few images later in the video. So please read them and understand what they say because it will make your life very easy when watching this video. They will explain almost everything. This is the last part of working with strings. From the next video, we will be starting a new chapter. The chapter is called list. More in that video. So for now, let's get started. You can format strings in a number of ways using Python. The main emphasis of formatting is to present the string in a form that is both pleasing to the user and easy to understand. Formatting doesn't mean adding special fonts or effects in this case, but refers merely to the presentation of the data. For example, the user might want a fixed point number rather than a decimal number as output. You have quite a few ways to format strings and you see a number of them as we progress through the course. However, the focus of most formatting is the format function. You create a formatting specification as part of the string and then use the format function to add data to the string. A format specification may be as simple as two curly brackets that specify a placeholder for data. You can number the placeholder to create special effects. For example, a 0 in the curly brackets would contain the first data element in a string. When the data elements are numbered, you can even repeat them so that the same data appears more than once in the string. The formatting specification follows a colon. When you want to create just a formatting specification, the curly brackets contain just the colon and whatever formatting you want to use. For example, this would create a fixed point number as output. If you want to number the entries, the number that precedes the colon as shown creates a fixed point number output for data element 1. The formatting specification follows this form with the italicized elements serving as placeholders here. For example, in my code, I want to include 0, align and width. In order to get the correct result without any errors, I have to write them in the order you see here. So first comes align, then 0 and then lastly width. Rest of them are not included. If you want to learn more about formatting specifications, then go to Python documentation. You can find the link down below. The documentation provides you with in-depth details, but here is an overview of what the various entries mean. The formatting specification elements must appear in the correct order or Python won't know what to do with them. If you specify the alignment before the fill character, Python displays an error message rather than performing the required formatting. So start by creating a new variable named formatted. Then we will create a placeholder for the data. Then we will print formatted dot format and the data will be the number 7000. You can enter any type of data you would like. Placeholders can be useful when you are asking something from the user. So when we run the code, we should see the number 7000 printed. As you see, we indeed got the number 7000. The next thing I will show you is how to write a number in this type of format, as you see, but in this case the number is going to be 7 7,000. So to do this, you simply add a comma over here, and when we run the code, we should see this. So as you see, we got the desired results. The next thing you will learn is how to center the number 7,000. So when you say this over here, it's going to center the number, then say 15. This is called width, which determines the full width of the data field. You can enter any number you would like. So let's run the code now. The number is now centered. The next thing I will show you is how to fill the space beside the number 7,000 with this. You simply type it over here. Let's run the code. We get the expected results. Another thing we can do is print 7,000 in this way. To do this, we'll first have to delete this, then say dot to lowercase f. We should get this when we execute the code. We indeed got what we expected. We can even print the hexadecimal number of the number 7,000. You simply type this, then 15 uppercase X. So this sign is going to right align the number. As you see, the hexadecimal number of 7,000 is this. Another thing we can do is just follow me. So this time the number is going to be left aligned, and this will add 0x prefix to the hexadecimal numbers. Let's run the code. As you see, we get the desired results. For the last format example, we will be numbering the placeholder. So just follow along with me. The first number is going to be 0, obviously. Then 1. We will repeat the data for 0 here, and then 2. So here we will type 3 different words. For 0, we will say blue. Then for 1, car. For the third one, 2, we will say truck. You can say any words you would like. So this is going to print a blue car and a blue truck. As you see how numbering the placeholders creates cool effects, and it would be even cooler if you ask the words from the user. So from here I will leave it up to you.